Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the sound output on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the start button and you want to select settings. So go ahead and left click on that. Select system on the left side, and then on the right side, go ahead and select sound. You can also search for it in the start search as well. So you go ahead and search for that. And you want to go ahead underneath output. You see there's a drop down here. Go ahead and select your speaker output you're looking to use. And you can go ahead and make sure that is turned on here. And you can also test it as well. And if you're still having a problem, you can go ahead and also add a new device. So if you select add device, so you can select add a device and then choose the kind of device you want to add. And you can go ahead and actually go ahead and select a sound device from here, such as a Bluetooth connected device. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.